Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. This video is going to focus on using the butterfly method to subtract fractions. Before we get into the video, please hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. So this video is for anybody that wants to watch, but specifically it is for my 5th graders. So shout out to all the 5th graders tuning in the building or otherwise. I'm going to bring the table a little closer here. I'm going to pull it close, so you hang on. There we go. All right. So the first step of the butterfly method, you don't need to do these steps in any particular order, but I think it's easiest if we determine the common denominator. So you can determine the common denominator simply by multiplying the two different denominators for the fractions that you're subtracting. So 4/5 minus 1/12. So the denominator in 4/5 is 5. The denominator in 1/12 is 12. So we're going to multiply 5 times 12. 5 times 12 equals 60. All right, next step. We're going to multiply the numerator with the opposite denominator. So we're going to multiply 4 times 12, and then we are also going to multiply 5 times 1. So 4 times 12 equals 48. I'm going to put the 48 above here. Now we're going to multiply 5 times 1. 5 times 1 equals 5. Since we're subtracting fractions, we're going to subtract both the numerators. So 48 minus 5. 48 minus 5 equals 43. And we have our answer. 4/5 minus 1/12 equals 43/60. All right, so that is the problem. When I say freeze, feel free to pause the video, look over the steps, copy down the steps. Freeze! All right, now I'm going to go on to a second example. All right. (7/8) minus 2/3. Let me bring this in close because I want y'all to see. 7/8 minus 2/3. So our first step is we multiply the denominators. That's going to get us a common denominator here. 8 times 3 equals 24. So that's our denominator. Next step, we're going to multiply the numerator with the opposite denominator. So we're going to multiply 8 times 2. 8 times 2 equals 16. And we're going to multiply 7 times 3. 7 times 3 equals 21. So now to get our final answer, we are going to subtract. We're going to do 21 minus 16. So 21 take away 16 equals 5. And our answer is 5. 7/8 minus 2/3 equals 5/24. All right. Example number 3 now. Example number 3. All right, let's see here. (11/12) minus 1/4. Let me pull it close because I want all of you to be able to see. Huge shout out to everybody tuning in. Please hit that like button, leave a comment. I appreciate you, and I'm glad you're here. All right, so first step, we multiply the denominators. 12 times 4 equals 48. Next, it's like crisscross applesauce. We are multiplying the opposite numerator to the opposite denominator. 12 1 times 12 equals 12. 11 times 4 equals 44. So now we have 44 minus 12. We do 44 minus 12, we can figure out what the numerator is. 44 minus 12 equals 32. So we have our answer, 32/48. Now there is a way to simplify that. We can simplify it by finding a common factor. Now, one common factor between every even number is 2. 32 and 48 are both even numbers, so if you divide them by 2, 32 divided by 2 equals 16. 48 divided by 2 equals 24. So we've now simplified our answer to 16/24. Let me write it on the next line. I want all of you to be able to see here. So 16/24. We've simplified it, but it's still not in lowest terms. Not yet. Now, if I'm noticing here, both 16 and 24 are even numbers, so they also can be divided by 2. So 16 divided by 2 equals 8. 24 divided by 2 equals 12. So 8/12. And again, we can continue to simplify that. Both are even numbers, so 8 divided by 2 equals 4. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. And again, if we want to bring that down further, we can do 4 divided by 2 equals 2. And 6 divided by 2 equals 3. So 3/3 is our answer. I mean 2/3. Correction. 2/3 is our answer in lowest terms. So 11/12 minus 1/4 equals 32/48. If we want to put 32/48 in lowest terms, our answer is 2/3. All right, now I'm going to end this video with some basketball. You know, we can make fractions out of anything. So I'm going to make a fraction out of made hook shots. I'm going to take about 10 made hook shots. I'm going to see what fraction of the hook shots I make. Now alternate going right and left. Here we go. I'm 0 for 1. 0 for 2. 0 for 3. Hook shots were not my thing. I was always more of a dunker. 0 for 4. I'm going to start making them though. There we go, 1 for 5. 1 for 6. 2 for 7. 3 for 8. 3 out of 9. 3 out of 10. So, not the best percentage. But I made 3 hook shots. I missed 7 in my fraction. My fraction for hook shots made is 3/10. Now I'm going to end this video with something that I like doing a lot more, and that is dunking. Don't celebrate like that if you dunk on somebody in a game. If you dunk on somebody in a game, just be stoic, run back on defense, really hard, run hard back on defense. Don't celebrate, don't yell and scream when you dunk on somebody's head. It's just, it'll get you a technical foul. Coaches don't like that. Alright, so I'm going to go live again, probably in another 10 minutes. But thank you so much for tuning in. Again, another 10-15 minutes, I'm going to go live again probably. Leave a comment, let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you like the video, and if there is an area of math or reading that you're having a difficult time with, write that in the comments and I will do a future video on that topic. Have a great day, everybody.